Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create half circle in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show create half circle. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a shape. Then I show many shape in the open. Now click for a circle shape. Now draw a circle shape. Now going to the shape fill option, then choose color and click for shape outline. Now click for no outline, then create half circle, then going to the again insert menu option, then click for a shape option. Now click for rectangle shape. Now draw a rectangle shape. Then click for a shape fill option. Now click for a white color and click for shape outline. Now click for no outline. Then click for a half circle color shape. Now click for a group. That is. Then I show create half circle in Publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.